morning. Today I'm going to give a presentation on cybercrime trends and challenges in achieving Swachh Digital India using a public code, a case study. It was presented by N. Srihari Rao under the guidance of Professor Chandrasekhar Yadav. Agenda: Introduction, Motivation, Proposed PGF, Questions that arose, 7 pivotal points of tabulum for research, Big Data Crime Analytics, Conclusions and References. Introduction. Goal of ICT. What is the goal of ICT? The goal of ICT is to develop a knowledge society, we call Vijnana Bharat, that is progressive and free from cyber crimes and is well established in terms of cyber laws, cyber ethics, smart cities, digital India, etc. Cyber criminal output. Challenging to the governance and academics for nation building, whereas nation building is a continuous exercise. This diagram shows the Giant Jack screenshot of the website with URL gianthjack.com dated 12 November 2011. Motivation. The cybercrime case under study is first of its kind recorded in so far published research publications, excepting a handful of them from our research group publications, and no mention of this kind of cybercrimes in cybersecurity literature. Hence, they do not exist solutions at present for this cybercrimes case. Government of Telangana, Cyberabad Police, Government of AP, Government of India, Higher Education System and the Indian Judiciary responded either in vain or inadequately to the challenges of cybercrimes in our society and academics. Need for. Now what is the need? We need an innovative forum. What is the use of this innovative forum? This forum will provide the awareness to the citizens or students. Proposed PGF, a People's Educational Governance Policy Research Forum with URL sites.google.com //Sheikharaya K, a People's Government Forum webpage. This PGF is the result of the trends and challenges experienced through the case study of cybercrimes in the Indian higher education scenario in the last several years. This is the snapshot of People's Governance Forum with the URL. Already we know. There you can find a lot of papers about the cyber crimes which are happening around us, right? Next, questions that arise. What kind of questions arise? Did the nearly 2,000 staff or students in the higher education system register in the cyber criminal outfit website owing to ignorance of or insensitivity to the cyber crimes involved? That is question number 1. Question number 2. Did they lack the fundamental skills, democratic value, consciousness and national spirit they are expected to have been endowed with? Question number 3. Silence of the educated leads to deleterious effects on the society and the nation. Question number 4. The cyber criminal leadership growing side by side with the academic administration. Question number 5. Sensitize the students such that the national consciousness and spirit develop in a good state in the system towards the Smart India campaign. 7 pivotal points of tabulum for research. Number 1. The Cyberabad police did not nab the cyber criminals with a well-established evidence, but mentioned that the cybercrime case ended. Number 2. The Cyberabad police mentioned that the accused A1 was nabbed based on the details given by the university authorities, but neither the proofs of documents of the details nor the details of the university authorities were specified. No authority was prosecuted. Point number 3. An academic environment that prevents the recurrence of the cybercrimes of the kind experienced and the case study needs to be established and a remedial measure undertaken. Question number 4. The university authorities do not seem to have taken any remedial action with regard to the cyber criminal outfit. Question number 4. The academic exercises do not tend to sufficiently mold the students as useful citizens of the nation and society. Question number 6. The case between the KBHBPS, Government of AP, and the accused one was prosecuted in the court at Miyapur, Telangana, and the judgment proceedings were issued in 2016, mentioning both the parties. Question number 7. One unchecked fake or underground or cyber criminal government of Telangana on the web tends to pose the danger of setting a precedent for recurrence. So big data crime analytics. So how big this crime was happened? So given the situation, what is loss? Who is at loss? So cyber frauds and cyber cheating are cyber crimes that involve finances. Money is at loss. They are financial crimes. Each of such cyber crimes victimizes an individual or a few individuals. In the case of such financial losses, money losses may be recovered and finances may be restored by the police. Question is, in the case study under consideration, there does not seem to be any tangible financial loss. Then, what is at loss? Who is at loss? There does not seem there does not seem to be personal victims. Answer is loss of national consciousness, sensitivity, feelings of national unity and solidarity, and the university academics, etc. Who is to initiate? So, what measures? What are the IT solutions? Just WhatsApp remedies, just Facebook remedies, just web-page based guidance and counseling, just research publications, or organizing national seminars, conferences, symposia, etc. too. Thus, nation building is a continuous exercise which every Indian citizen should participate in and undertake. This is a noble and great goal for academics. So conclusions, university has to make degree holders who will be useful to the nation and not just merely to themselves but industry. Quality of national life. QONL. So quality of national life is at loss when cyber criminal academic environment is unchecked or even when the deleterious effects of such crimes are not offset by undertaking remedial steps. Smart cities, free from cyber criminal activities, academic environment in the cities, universities. True nation building is a continuous exercise and involves setting up remedial machinery to dismantle the network of cyber crimes in the cities and throughout the length and breadth of the nation. Possibly, only by the people's participation for the exercise of nation building, PGF serves as a community machinery for positive quality of national living. So, these are some of the references that we have used for preparing the paper. Thank you.